give you this tea and towels for check-in. He's already enjoying his tea. What kind of tea is it?
I don't know. Some sort of berry tea.
And we're waiting to check in. This is Kakuna Hotel. We just got to our hotel room and we walk in and we take off our shoes, and this is our bed. Oh my goodness. And this is Mount Fuji, and this is our private onsen hot spring where we can lay down later. Oh my gosh, so nice. So nice. So, ooh, it comes with a fridge. And there's cookies. Cookie. Oh, cool, Mount Fuji cookies. And then there's tea, water. Ooh, let's check out the bathroom. We didn't get, ooh. Oh, it's like a shower room.
Oh.
It's just so nice. We gotta change into our hotel stuff later. Look at this guy. He's being Kung Fu Master over there. Oh, this one, this one.
Why are they so expensive?
Well, it's Haagen-Dazs. Makes sense. Ooh, coolish. We got some taiko drums.
You want to try this one?
Ooh, vending machine.
Nectar.
Alright, he's gonna get a beer.
First beer vending.
Oh, that seemed a little violent. Let me see what you got. Yabisu premium malt, right? I'm gonna get sparkling Chardonnay. It's $2.50. So let's see which one. Oh well. Alright, give each of us that. Chardonnay. So they have a Japanese side of the buffet. And it looks good. You can even grill your own fish. On top of the buffet, they give you a prefix. And this is the first course. Back at it again with the hot tub. Waiting on Mount Fuji to come out. Still kind of early. 6 in the morning. Mount Fuji again. Village. So nice. Oh, it's time for breakfast. Ooh, soy milk tofu. Ooh, I don't know what that is. Pickled plums? And there's raw eggs and poached eggs. And I believe stuff for kanji. Or soba. Oh my goodness. They got cereal, breads. Gotta have that bread. Ooh. Breakfast looks definitely better than dinner.
I know, right?
Oh, it looks good. Ooh. Baby's getting down. And fruits. Honey lemon. House-made pudding. That's pretty. So I decided to go the traditional Japanese breakfast route, but I added French toast.
And Friday.
Yes, and more eggs. And more eggs. Yes, so I'm gonna try this kanji. He looks like he's having the Western breakfast with the hash brown, or yeah, French toast. What's that over there?
This is a seafood soup.
Ooh. And fresh grapefruit juice.
There's mango juice and stuff like that too.
I'm just like enjoying this lovely mountain view.